Man, look, boy. Oh, oh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. See, I'm not. What happens if we do this? That better. I'm not myself. Bing bong, hello. Welcome back. Man, okay. First off, I apologize. It's been a minute. I always do this to myself. Man, I gotta put this on my. So, I always do this to myself, right? I do something really big, make a big deal, or something happens, and I'm like, oh snap, I want to share this with everybody, right? But then I'm like, yo, okay, hold up, man, I gotta roll this out right. So I've been waiting for just like the perfect, I don't know, man, the perfect situation, I guess. I was like, man, I need to get the drone out. I haven't used the drone in a long time. Yeah. I'll do that. I'll do this, and I put this song to it, and I make this fire intro. Man, y'all. In waiting on that, I do this to myself all the time. In waiting on that, it's like, bro, come on. I deny it. First off, I deny you of I can't put my shoes on. I'm so frustrated right now. I deny you of a good content. Deny myself of a video. You know what I'm saying? It's just nonsense. It doesn't make any sense. So I'm getting ready to go to work. Check the drip. Can I turn this around? Nope, I can't turn around while I'm recording. Yeah. So this is what I'm gonna do. First off, I'm gonna show y'all my shoes. My shoe collection is pretty decent, I think. Classics. I need to clean them, but ooh, shoes. All right. So, got my keys. Nope. Got my keys. All right, y'all. Oh, let me close the blinds. McMurray. Deuces, all right. Coco, doing a strange back thing, man. That joint creeps me out. Crazy over that. So, as everybody knows, right? Spawn is gone. Okay, Spawn is gone. Like really gone. Took it to the scrap yard. He is not coming back. I feel like I'm missing something, y'all. Where's my wallet at? Ooh, more drip. Okay, so I got everything now. I probably don't. Anyway. So y'all, don't laugh at my yard, all right? I know I need to cut it. But I'm gonna start going, super raw. Super raw with the footage. Just so you know what I mean? I'm no more waiting around. Boy, I left my wallet right here on the outside. I'm dumb as hell. So, as I was saying, y'all know Spawn is gone, right? It used to be parked right there. I got pictures. It used to be right here. And he's gone. But that's okay though, because we won't forget. Right, yeah, look at that. I need to cut. But I just want to introduce you to BAM, baby! Spawn 2.0. We're back, Jack. That's right. Spawn 2.0, right here. Resurrected. This is how we came back. Spawn is gone. But we came back. Yeah, I think we came back, we came back heavy. You know what I'm saying? Oh, hello. Hey. We came back nice. So this is it. Picked this bad boy up, did the paperwork all last week, which was a huge hassle in itself. Those shit was dumb as hell, stuff I had to go through. But it was worth it. This Spawn 2.0. You know, see it. It's real. It's real. You know what I'm saying? No cap. You know. No cap capping. Oh, we in there. Bow. So, y'all. So y'all see, hey, that is real. This is a real thing right here. It happened. Never in my life did I believe I'll be driving a Porsche. It's a 2009 Porsche Cayman. Bottom barrel. It doesn't even matter. At the end of the day, it is what it is, and it is that. And I am Lance. Ciao. So look, this is huge for the channel because that's the project car. Mercedes is still coming. You know what I'm saying? But this is the project car. And I got a project in mind. Oh, what we gonna do? I can't even say it right. I got big things planned. First, I got to cut this tall ass grass. But we got big things coming for Spawn 2.0. For that though, that's gonna be a little secret. All right. But this is it. I was gonna do this big thing, man. I was gonna put the drone out there, and nah, that's it. This is how we're doing it from now on. Just raw. I'm not setting anything up. So that's it. We're at Spawn 2.0. Welcome to YouTube. YouTube, meet Spawn 2.0.
Vibrations.
Yeah. Welcome to the mixtape. Vibration.
I stole lady.